morning guys, it's my last day in Hanoi or my third day, and today we're going to have a motorbike tour here in Hanoi since it's not raining, it's only cloudy. So yeah, I took a Klook motorbike tour, so we're going out today, so let's go.
Now it's so hot. I'm scared of weather. So this, we go to the Grand Hotel.
Carter, yeah.
Trump and Israel, they got the land with a lot of islands. So
Yes.
Vietnam is a very long country. It's actually small, but it's long.
Yeah.
So north, center, and south is very different in culture, cuisine, and scenery. This is the opera house.
Oh.
We're gonna stay there some minutes, take picture, and then we give you.
So kumuha lang si Miss Alice ng ticket ko. Daming tao. Sabi niya madaming student. So cute. On Van Lake. Sa kabilang side. Very pretty though. Sa archery. Actually, meron po sa loob. Ay, nagpa-picture yung Miss Alice.
It's also a unicorn.
Fairness, ang ganda.
Sauce with the pork. This is the sauce we have. If you like chili, you can put some pepper or I can't.
I really like vegetables.
I eat a lot of vegetable every day. Because it's good for our health. Better for skin. So back home, do you drink a lot of cold drink? Do you drink a lot of cold drink back home?
Yeah, somehow. Yeah.
Or you don't like cold?
Really?
Only water?
Yeah.
Sometimes I drink like hot tea. It's water.
Maybe because it's really hot, that's why people like to
Yeah.
drink cold.
That's better. I also a lot of people they eat with Jollibee
Yeah.
or they eat KFC.
Is there already here?
We have Jollibee like 5 years.
Where's the brand?
It's not here.
Ah,
It's
it's not
nearby my university. Place. Yeah, we should not very popular, but we do have.
Oh, when I come back here, I'll go try what's the difference of the Jollibee here.
Yeah.
But I think I saw the KFC at the lake area.
Yes. We have a lot of KFC.
But how about McDonald's?
Three now. We don't eat a lot of
Fast food.
I
Yeah.
never been to see the McDonald's in KFC. Prefer Coke or eating something local.
True, true.
Because the local food here is already very nice. And much cheaper as well.
How much is a fast food would cost
Here,
here?
for example, what?
Like a burger.
Like banh mi. You know banh mi?
Yeah, banh mi. But I mean the burger, like
burger.
Western burger. Fast food.
Local.
No, the fast
The
food.
fast food. 3 or 4 USD.
Wow, that's expensive.
More expensive than it was.
Yeah.
I never did that.
Maybe a burger in a fast food, like a Western fast food, would cost around $2.
Yeah, like 3 or 4. I mean 4 is be like it's combo
Uh-huh.
with the water.
Okay, the
Some
combo.
chips. Yeah.
And the fries.
But to be honest, I never tried it. I love something because the Western food don't have vegetable or even very just a bit. The next time, if you want to come back here, bring your partner. So, did they? No, I mean he been to Vietnam before.
No, not really. I think only Singapore and Hong Kong. He always like fly for business only.
So what do you do? What do you do?
Is computer,
Science,
huh?
computer
Science, yeah. It's like how they call it? It's like
programming.
programmer, yeah. But more related to business programming.
Because now the finance,
So he,
Singapore and Hong Kong, all financials, they all know how to program
yes,
and code.
yep.
Because now technology.
This place is popular. Popular. Hello.
They have upstairs. Then like evening, super busy. The whole street is famous for this kind of life, but this place is not famous.
Guys, I recommend you this. Then guys, so magbasag na ako. At nawala na yung lipstick ko.
Vietnam go to France when French was occupied by French. So he left Vietnam for a year from 1911 when he was 21 years old, and he left Vietnam from Saigon to go abroad to another country in the world, like America. Yes, the changing the Follow his story. Do whatever you want, and I can give you one. Let's get cozy. Hello. Welcome to Vietnam.
We're at
Long Bien Bridge.
the Long Bien Bridge, built by the French. Yay!
Yeah, you guys always will come here. See you.
Tapos na. May cafe dyan sa taas. Then, na overlooking yung train kapag pumasok. Doon